Hello guys, I'm Mechanic Bright. Today I'm going to explain P051B, sometimes C and D crankcase pressure sensor performance and circuit. And then this code is a EcoBoost and a common problem. Even escape Edge, the Flex and Lincoln and F-150. Engine computer monitor the crankcase pressure sensor, and then inside the engine cranker pressure sensor shows sometimes bad as PCB and internal engine damage, and then change the pressure. That's why engine monitored this sensor and then what's going on in the engine performance. So different type of sensor shape and location, and this one's EcoBoost and 3.5, and then Edge also behind the engine area. And then usually voltage at idle engine start and 3.3 to the 4.3 volt. Once the out of spec, and the engine set the code and the engine light on. This video is a 2-liter escape engine, and needed to access pressure sensor, remove cowl cover and wiper. And then first remove wiper arm cover. And there are 15mm nut, and then you guys are using the kind of impact and a loose remove nut. And then next they access wiper arm. Sometimes need a wiper arm tool, but doesn't need this escape engine. This one's push down the arch area up and down, easily come out from the thread. And then there are right hand, left hand driver passenger side showing behind the wiper arm, and then loosen brake fluid 2 screws T25, and then separated C clip from top of the cowl cover and bottom of the cowl cover, and there are a couple of C clip. And then once the separate C clip, you guys lift up gently top side of cowl cover, and then like this. And then there are 2 more bolts, and old one is 8mm, and then new system 17 is 10mm 4 bolt. And then once the remove bolt, and then take that out, lower cowl cover. Once you guys access this crankcase, that is a 2-liter part number. This one is a one-piece sensor and tube assembly. You guys can buy the sensor only from the Amazon, but both dealer usually selling the one pieces, maybe a couple of $100. This one smaller is much cheaper than other car. And then location is intake tube right there, and then attach the valve cover. So when you replace disconnect electric connector, and then using the 2-finger strongly squeeze in, spread the retainer area, so push the back. So once to take out the intake tube, and then valve cover side also same way, and then squeeze the retainer and take it out. And then now new one is a click in. You guys should click sound, and then definitely kick in the O-ring and the retainer to the intake and a valve cover. And then next put all parts back, and then engine clear the engine light. And then I'll strongly mention that once you guys put back the wiper arm, there are wiper arm location on the windshield, and then clear coat, and then you guys nothing code back, and then you can do yourself. Thank you for watching.